Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market and return back to our riddle with the opposite patterns that have been formed on the last week. Recall our discussion. So we have the Morningstar candlestick pattern and bearish grabber. In fact, the last candle of this Morningstar pattern has become the bearish grabber that suggests taking out of these lows and correspondingly the raising of the Morningstar pattern. And we said that depending on which one will prevail, this market probably will continue moving in this direction. And our position was that bears has more chances to succeed, mostly because, as we said, right above this level stands strong resistance cluster. This was previously the support. This market stopped last time in July. It's turned to the upside retracement, and now it will become the resistance because market already has passed through it. So as you can see, market is standing right now as a 1070 area, stands below 1077, and this will start to work as a resistance. We will not exclude the chance that later market could turn to some upward action. Maybe this will be some double bottom will be formed on the 4-hour time frame chart or something of that sort. But first, probably market will complete this grabber target. Maybe this will be just minor wash and rinse because the target of the grabber is just taken out of these lows. Grabber doesn't suggest that market definitely should continue move lower. All that it should do, that's why, because it calls us the stop grabber, that market should grab the stops that have been placed below the previous extremes. This point right now, this is lows. That's the major task of the grabber. That's the major target. So sometimes market continues move in the direction of the grabber, sometimes not, but the major target is just grabbing the stops below the lows. It means that market could show, for example, the wash and rinse here, complete the target of the grabber, and then turn to some upward retracement. That's also possible. But right now, it seems that chances that market should hit the grabber target and that grabber should overrule the Morningstar, this chance looks significant, and market right now confirms what we have said on the weekend. If you will take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that this downward retracement, as you can see, very fast. It's much faster than upward action. That's in fact the candle of the Morningstar pattern. As you can see, the drop was really fast, and retracement down inside of the body of the Morningstar pattern looks too significant. It's too deep. It's almost equals to the bottom. That's why it seems that grabber probably will hit the target before any other action will happen. As I said, maybe this will be some kind of the upward retracement or something of that sort. So here we still stand on the same point. To start think about the possible upward continuation, market should take it out of this area. It's 1085. This is the bottom of this nasty candle. As we said, it will hold and protect market from returning back inside of this range, and this is happening. So previously it holds price action inside of it. Later it starts to prevent returning back inside of this range, and that will repeat again. Only if market will pass through it and move above the 1085, we could speak on some further upward retracement and could count on some deeper action to the upside. Before this will happen, the chance on this is very small. That's the first moment. Second moment, guys, this will be also interesting that this will be weekly pivot point, and if market will pass through it, and this also will be the confirmation that sentiment in the short-term perspective has changed bullish, and this will be another confirmation that probably market was ready for a possible upward action. As you can see, this will be another so-called, let's call it as the beacon of the bullish intentions. Right now, so that's been said, until market will not move above it, it's probably better to not think about taking the long position. Right now in today's session we will be watching for this action. So you can see market stands very close to the MACD predictor, And if it will form the bearish grabber here, it will suggest the taking out of these lows. If this will happen, there's chances that market will really continue move lower, and taking out of these lows, erase the morning star and the daily will be significant. In this case, we will be watching for two moments. First of all, the grabber itself, and if you have the short position, you could keep it. Second moment is how market will behave around the weekly pivot support line, because as we said, the result of the grabber could be the Russian range around 1060 area. For example, market will drop lower, grab the stops, will hit the support at the 1060 and return right back down or right back up. In this case, guys, this will be some kind of the Russian rinse of these lows, and this will be a relatively bullish pattern. And market could turn to appearing of some head and shoulders, double bottom. Here we will be able to get the minor head and shoulders. If it will be the left shoulder, this will be the head. That could be the right shoulder. So we could get the short-term reversal set up here that will suggest some action to an area around 11.10. So as you can see, the perspective on the gold market is really interesting, even in the short-term perspective. Also, we could get some kind of the head and shoulders pattern. It will be the left shoulder, that will be the double head. That's also possible, and that could be another right shoulder here could be formed. That will put the foundation for some deeper retracement to the upside. That's really also possible. So it will depend on how market will behave here. If it will be the wash and rinse and market return at back up, the chance on this will increase. If market will just drop lower, break through the weekly pivot support line and hold below the 1060, that will mean that downward action will continue. But anyway, before reversal, market probably should drop lower, taking out of these lows, and later we will see what will happen. If market will start move up immediately, in this case, just watch when the market will pass through this area. Only if this will happen, that will be the red line for possible taking long position, starting to think about the taking the long position.